Hey guys, how's it going? How to create amazing AI images. Simple guide using MimicPC. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and you're gonna see the interface, right? And what they offer image creation, face swapping, model trading, audio creation, voice creation, and large language models. So it's an AI leveraged website that helps you do all these things. And click the free launch at the top right or here, right? And then go and log in using your account. And you're gonna see the interface just like this. Go ahead and click the AI tools on the left hand menu, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna see text to image or image to video. So in my case, I'm gonna use text to image. And I'm gonna play around and just type some, be as detailed as possible. In my case, I'm gonna just type cat in a park, in my park, right? And then hit generate right here. And of course, you're gonna wait for a few moments until they generate the image, right? This is experimental, but for you, you can just be as detailed as possible, okay? So after we wait, as you can see right here, you can download the image if you liked it, okay? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.